Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl here, Winnie. Welcome to yet another amazing video of cooking. Kindly, if you are new here, karibu sana and kindly subscribe. And for the returning viewers, asanteni sana. Asanteni for supporting this YouTube channel. And today we are making a simple peanut butter white fly fish. Just a simple fish that you can eat with your family with ugali and greens. And mine will be serving with ugali and kienyeji greens, is the local greens. So on our video, we'll need two fish. I'm using two fish. It's already deep fried because I didn't have time to grill it on my own. So I have two fish. We have cooking oil. I have blended tomatoes. I have here onions, garlic. These are dania stem, the dania that is coriander stem, and then coriander. And then we have the water. And for the spices, I'm going to use garam masala, paprika, royco cubes, curry powder, and lastly the peanut butter. For the spices, you can use whatever you want or what you love. For example, me, I would love to use black pepper and cayenne, but I have small kids. So let's cook. So first we are starting with our onions. And then we do the cooking oil. That's enough. And now we saute our onions as we wait for it to turn golden brown. As the onion are sauteing, we add our garlic so that they can cook in together. As you can see, now when the onion are almost turning golden brown, that's when you add in the coriander stem. This is just one way of by making use the coriander stem, that you don't have to throw them away. They also make They also make the food to taste nice. So let them cook for a bit. And you can see my onion and everything is well done. So what we are going to add next here is our blended tomatoes. Once you add in tomatoes, now that this is now where you add your spices. We are going to start with salt. We do paprika. I'm using a teaspoon, so I'm doing a teaspoon each, but it's not full. This is curry powder. I'm going to add garam masala. Garam masala and paprika are my favorite spices. So I'm going to add in two royco cubes. And after that, now you stir in very well. I wish I had a big pan. I think I need to buy a very big pan for cooking this recipe. But I think this one is going to work for today because I didn't want to cook it in a sufuria because I wanted you to see what I'm doing. So then you cover it for like 2 minutes for the tomatoes to cook. This is now like after 3 minutes. You can see our tomatoes. They have made a very nice paste. Now here it's where we are going to reduce the heat and add in the peanut butter. So I'm adding a whole tablespoon of peanut butter. You see, a whole tablespoon of peanut butter. And then you mix very well. Let me turn here. You ensure you mix. You mix very well. Mix very well to ensure that the peanut butter has mixed very well with everything. Yeah, it's well mixed. And now here it's where now you'll add your water. Kindly be generous. I've added like half a cup of water, but we might add another half to make it full. Just like that, allow that to simmer for like 1 minute. As it is simmering, I want to cut my fish. This, what do you call it? This to thin. These wings, so that it can fit in my pan. Because I don't know even who is going to eat these wings. I think I can eat them. But at least let me remove the wings. Now it's like a minute. You open. After like a minute, now this is where you come. You put in your fish. Be very careful. And then you can see I need to add like a half cup of water. Oops. The pan is small. I could have used a bigger pan, but I don't have a bigger pan. So that's why I'm telling you I need to buy a bigger pan. So I've covered it and allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes. Now after like 5 minutes, you flip your fish to cook on the other side. I flipped off camera because somebody urgently called me and I needed to answer the call. So you can see I've managed to flip the other side and has cooked so well. It looks so yummy. So we need to taste salt here. The salt is nice and everything is nice and the fish is tasting yummy. You see, I still have a very nice sauce, enough sauce, very thick sauce. So, and just like that, our fish is ready. Now we are going to garnish it with the coriander. And just like that, our fish is ready, and we switch off the fire. We allow it to simmer, to cool down as we clean up here. And as you can see, our fish is looking amazing, amazing, amazing. Let me give you a closer look. As you can see, our peanut sauce fish is looking amazing. I wish my camera could give justice to this fish, the color. Okay, it's at night, so it might not be that clear, but the fish, everything, it's looking amazing. So kindly go and try the recipe and come and share with me.